Welcome to FortiNDR Cloud, Fortinet's flagship network detection and response platform. Our default dashboard is purpose-built around analyst workflows and risk-based prioritization. In the top left section, analysts can quickly identify high-risk devices by reviewing risk scores and crown icons that indicate automatically designated high-priority assets. FortiNDR Cloud calculates a risk score for each device with active detections, factoring in severity and confidence levels. Analysts can drill down into the detailed high-risk devices view or navigate directly to individual detections for deeper analysis. From the default dashboard, clicking on a device IP opens the entity panel, providing comprehensive context such as first seen and last seen timestamps, external IP risk scores and indicators, passive DNS information, detections, behavioral observations, and response options through Fortinet's security automation service. The next widget offers a snapshot of the total number of detections across the network, with flexible filtering by severity and confidence. Analysts can drill directly into their assigned detections from this view. In the top right section, FortiNDR Cloud also presents a 2-week breakdown of detections mapped to MITRE ATT&CK for easy comparison. Each category is clickable, enabling one-click drill down into the corresponding detections. In the bottom left section, FortiNDR Cloud displays behavioral observations powered by advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI models to surface meaningful network behaviors. These observations support proactive threat hunting, and many high-confidence observations are escalated into detections. The accompanying chart visualizes daily observation trends for the selected time frame. The Notable Detections widget highlights detectors with active alerts, as well as those tagged as new or showing a spike in activity. These tags are derived from historical detection patterns within the customer environment, helping analysts focus on the most impactful issues. At the bottom right, the Resolve Detections widget provides insight into resolution statistics by resolution type. Security teams can drill down into specific detections and review associated resolution comments for additional detail. Finally, FortiAI Assist is seamlessly integrated throughout the FortiNDR Cloud platform, blending intelligent analytics with automation to support security and network operations. It empowers analysts to generate quick detection summaries, ask coverage-related questions, and create detailed entity reports with ease.